Hello, my name is Adam, and I'll be going over Deliverable 7 with you. This is kind of the website for the posts. It has max quality in the top left. It also has a phone number for them and a location as well. Um, Over in the top right, it has we heard to put an end to racism. It has three different tabs: home, about, and contact. Right now we're in about. It also has COVID information as well because while protesting, it's still nice to take precautions about what people are wearing, what people are doing, how far back they should space each other. So this is more. It's kind of, you can use it for an interactive tab as well to know what's going on. What we do, our organization protests against those who show racism. We want to put an end to all the discriminations. It also has a photo for max quality and another fist for defend equality. The page is designed for the user to view this and basically want to join. When you see this, you kind of want to join. There's a lot of power behind these images. The post states what the organization does and what they stand for. It also has an active area for those who want to protest to see how the COVID-19 and to see how COVID-19 affects them. The persuasion technique is basically put an end to racism through the use of basically forced protest or through the use of power and equality. The fist is an iconic symbol for power to the people, give back power, make everyone equal. Power to the people is there so that racism can be fixed and that we want to put an end to racism as well. The fist shows USA flag colors in it. It's the logo, and it hits its target audience. Um, the defend equality is there also because for the same as similar kind of back up the max quality. Cultural familiarity. People who are going to this site as well, they know who is going to be protesting, and that is why they're also going to want to join this. For the European site, this motion engages the viewer from the logo and images to the right of the logo. Everyone being equal. The other photo shows rights for all. It's kind of more broad, but for the European sense, rights for all is more so to end racism. This is true because everyone's equal. This will be used to reduce prejudice and looking at the logos and seeing that everyone is equal. Um, the photo to the right and the max quality photo for European, that um, might be sawn in a different view. Um, uh, the colors for the flag are in here, and max quality for everyone being equal, and all rights together. They might interpret it as a different meaning behind it, more as rights for everyone, every sexual gender, all that. But this is more towards focusing on the rights to end racism. Still, what we do, it's there to end racism and protest. It still is the same page, same information, still interactive tabs you can go in and out of. But this is how the European and American site differ. It's two different posts, two different images, but it conveys the same meaning, and that's what we're trying to get out of this is to stop racism. Thank you.